Hi, I'm Natalie Lucier, and in this video I'm going to show you how to entice people to join your email list by giving them something cool in return. So what I'm talking about here are lead generation magnets or an opt-in freebie, or you might have also heard the term a big banana. But basically what it is creating something of value that you give to someone else in return for their name and email address and getting on your email list. It's pretty straightforward, but you really have to think about what it is that you're giving them in exchange for their name and email. Because here's the thing, the content and the way that you position your opt-in freebie or your lead magnet is really related to what people expect to hear from you when it comes to actually joining your email list. So you have to really consider, what are the pain points? What are the things that people really need help with in your industry and in your market, so that you can better generate leads by creating something that's really spot on and entices your people. So if you're starting from scratch and you don't have an email list at all, I would say find a group of people who you think are your target market. Go find them on Facebook, on forums, just do a little bit of internet detective work to find out where they hang out, and then ask them if anyone would be open for you to get on the phone with them and ask them what it is that they struggle with, what it is that they think they need in order to get to where they want to go. And then just write down the exact words that they use, because once you know the words that they use, you can find out how to put that together and solve that problem for them. If you already have an email list, I would say send out a quick survey to your email list and ask them, again, what are their pain points? What are they struggling with? What do they need help with? And that will help you figure out what is the best freebie to put together. And now when it comes to your actual freebie, the name of it is pretty important because you want to be clear about what they're getting on the other side. And it also helps to have a graphic representation of it. So if it's a PDF, having a little icon for it, or if it's a video, having a screenshot of the video. And the same goes for an audio, just some sort of representation that they know kind of what format to expect it in, because some people learn in different formats. And in order to do that and help them learn better, you might have your freebie converted to different programs or different formats. So for example, if you have a video, you might have someone transcribe it so that they can then read it if they don't have time to watch your videos, etc. So now that you know what it is that you need to create, you have to actually block some time out in your calendar to put it together and make it look nice, make it look professional, make it match your brand. And then you can just put that everywhere on your website that you ask for people's names and emails. So that might be a sidebar, underneath a blog post, on your main page, or just have a dedicated squeeze page that asks people to opt in to get your free bonus. Another thing that's really important is to mention your communication schedule. So if you email every week or every month or every 2 weeks, you want to let them know so that they know what to expect after they sign up, or even before they sign up, because that way they'll know, what kind of relationship this is. Be very truthful up front, let them know how often and what kind of stuff you'll be sending them, and they're a lot more likely to stay on board because they'll be expecting your emails instead of thinking of them as spam. So that's how to create a free lead magnet or opt-in freebie in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed it, got some good tidbits out of it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Please also head over to gettechinow.com to jump on my email list to get more great tips on how to build your list and make your online business rock and roll. Thanks again.